Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Look at this little thing. Woo! I'm doing some warm-up laps with my Turbo Timber Evolution here, because tonight we're flying the beautiful glider that Tug Hill RC gifted to me. And that's right, if you're new here, you haven't been following, our friend Tug Hill RC gifted this plane to me. He sent it to me brand new in a box. He's a fellow veteran. He enjoyed watching me get into flying, wanted me to enhance my experience a little bit. So he got me this really cool plane. So now, problem with GoPros, they're an action camera. They have what's called a fixed aperture. They don't let in a lot of light. So usually these night shots, like me moving around, is probably going to be jumpy because of the stabilization. It doesn't do good in low light. This is my ADD Canon DSLR. It's a Sigma lens. I can't remember the aperture on this. It's a very big aperture. It should do us pretty good out here. I guess I don't need that really, right? Maybe I will. That way I can see what's going on. So the game plan is hopefully I'll fly a nice path over the camera and get a nice shot for you. And guys, man, stop giving me a hard time about staying on the runway. If you guys see how my car's like downhill, all right, see that slope? I know it's hard for the camera to pick up, but this whole runway slopes. So I prefer not to even use that, because when you land, it just drifts the plane that way. This is where I prefer, right here. And people say, oh, you're on the runway, you're taking up room. But I mean, I can move. I don't know. I don't get the staying on the runway thing. As you can tell, you know, I mean, I know the whole club's man, they fish a windsock here. All right, yes, it's a good flight, man. Look at the beautiful sky. Wow, is that not a beautiful backdrop? Here we go. Everybody's gonna think there's a UFO. Not that there's really anybody out here, but oh man, look at that thing. Holy moly. Wow. Whoa, look at that. Man, that thing is lit up. Man, the wind. Bouncing this thing. See, whoa. The bad thing with this lens, it's very slow to focus. I might have to just put it on manual and hope for the best. Because the plane gets close, it's getting blurry, it looks like. Wow, I hope the GoPro's picking it up though. Yeah, it's not focusing. I hope the GoPro's picking this thing up because that's just wild looking. That is absolutely stunning. Guys, look at that. And I know it's far away too, with these winds. I'll do one last pass, try to catch it on this camera, and then the rest is just gonna have to be GoPro. And I hope it works out. Oh, look at that. Now I'm just gonna focus on trying to catch this with the GoPro. Dude, oh man. I wish some airplane would go by right now. They'd be looking like, what the heck? Guys, look at that. Look. Oh, dude. Oh my God, that's amazing. I love the way there's lights on the tip of the wings too, on the top. So that way when you turn, you can still see. Oh, there's a plane off in the distance somewhere. Wow! Dude, that is so cool. This thing when it goes by. Oh, I really couldn't hear it that time. It usually makes this pretty wicked noise when it... Man, the wind's just really pushing this thing. Wow. It doesn't feel that windy. I don't get it. Why is it rocking so bad? Did you hear it? I'm gonna have to land this thing soon because it's gonna start getting too dark to... I need to stop turning this way because the wind is pushing it. I know better than that. Oh, look at that. Dang. Oh, there's a plane coming. Oh, that's right. Let's not do that. Let's turn into the wind. There we go. That's much better turn. Man, I don't know if you guys heard that thing when it went by. Let's see if I can't get in here low. Oh, look at this thing. Oh, wow. Damn, Tug, this thing's amazing, man. You really have to fly this thing at night to appreciate it. Well, guys, I think it's getting a little too dark. And I just did that turn into the wind again. I think it's getting a little too dark. I still got battery. I'm not going to stress about it, but I think we need to set this thing up for a landing before it gets too dark and I can't see the ground. One last, even if I got to do it on power, let's just, I don't care. Oh, look at the wings bouncing on it. I don't get it. The wind's not that bad. Oh, wow. All right, it's time to land. Time to land. Let's bring this thing in. Bring her in. Ooh. Hey, not bad. I mean, the grass is kind of tall out here. Oh. I mean, look, it's still in one piece. She's still in one piece. Oh. Guys, look at that. The Night Radian Glider. And I'm pretty sure the GoPro's struggling now because it's dark. All right, everyone. Hope you enjoyed the flight. Thank you for the support. I said, don't harass me about being on the runway. This is the reason I come out here is because nobody in the club uses this field. This is kind of like the black sheep field. Okay, it's in the middle of nowhere. Everybody uses one elsewhere, so I'm not impinging on anybody. But man, I hope you enjoyed watching this beautiful plane. And again, Tug, can't thank you enough for the gift, man. It is just amazing what people will do to support you, the channel, and everything like that. All right, everyone, thank you for watching. Thank you for the support. Hope you enjoyed watching it fly. Hope to see you on the next one.